Welcome back to the channel. We're doing a panorama tour around Hazy View in South Africa. Our first stop is Lisbon Falls. Lisbon Falls, one of the highest falls around the area. It's a spectacular view here. The pools were full, the waterfalls were flowing, and the scenery was quite green. We do have some shops here as well that you can purchase things, and the ladies that run those shops also take tap on your card. You can use cash, but they do have their little machines. We'll bust around today for this tour. It's not a long drive, but long enough to bring some water. After we finished here, we were headed to Bourke's potholes. As we arrived at Bourke's potholes, just at the entrance, local school trying to raise some money. It's always nice to help out. You can get a nice photo here and then straight into the scenery. It's amazing to think that nature actually carved these holes straight into the hard rock. Amazing to think how many years it would have taken and the sheer force. It's a great walk around the Bourke's potholes. On the other side there's a lot of water. You can sit, put your feet in a pool if you'd like, or just look at the tadpoles. The water is nice and clear, and it's actually quite cool. We enjoyed our time here at Bourke's potholes, and after this we were off to the 3 Rondavels. The 3 Rondavels is 3 large mountains, or it's a lot of large mountains, but 3 distinct ones. We were told by the local that it was in relation to being similar to their huts that they have in South Africa. Here we are, 3 Rondavels, absolutely amazing. The scenery itself was spectacular. You had to be careful not to get too close to the edge, as there was no fencing. There is in some parts, but on the most, you're tempted to get right up close to the edge for that good photo or video. You did stay safe, and I recommend you do the same. There's some spectacular nature here. We did spot a couple of coloured lizards. Not sure what they were, but they were amazing. Anyway, enjoy the video, and we'll see you on the next one.
Is it a green one? Yeah, I just got a photo. We had 2 there in the Bourke and I got them last